blades they want me to battle? Like just like what?
Alright, blades. Green
Tell me
versus
the
red.
one. This one,
Yeah?
this one, and this one,
No, the
or
upper
this
one.
one.
No, the upper one.
This
The
one.
yeah, yeah. What? Let me see what is the battle.
Insane, bro. I never tried this before. Wait,
So you're
Rito.
dead. So I cannot see. I can only see half of your screen.
Yeah, after launch my Beyblades, I'm gonna do like that so you can see.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh,
Yo,
they're
yo,
battling to
yo,
the death. Hell,
yo.
that is a devastating attack.
Who
Suiciding
do you
in.
think is gonna win?
Oh, the
Whoa,
green
the
one.
green, the green one actually won.
Nice.
Oh wait,
Look, it's
oh, my Beyblade.
NFM. I'm gonna record
Let's see.
this.
Wait, Elijah.
Yeah?
No, which one they want?
Okay. Yellow versus red.
This one?
No, the other one, the bottom one. No,
Huh?
the other one in the right. Yeah, that one and the red one
Yeah,
earlier.
on Messenger Kids.
Oh yeah, I have. But my phone is
No,
missing.
one.
My phone is
Which one?
missing.
The red one in the center, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, this might be insane, bro. I think the red one's gonna win.
All right.
Three, oh,
Two.
wait. Three, two, one, go.
Wait. I'm go-
Elijah, look.
Holy
Whoa. Look, it went in the like pocket and the red one's still spinning.
holy.
Now, which one? Just choose
Okay.
one.
Let me see your blade. Oh, okay. The black one versus the purple one.
This one?
No, the pink one, not purple. The pink
Where?
one.
This one?
That is not pink. That's purple.
Oh,
The
this
pink
one?
one. Yeah. That one versus that one.
Right.
Who will win?
This one. I'm banned for that one. That one's rigged.
Oh, wait. Alright. If that guy is rigged, maybe the blue one. Okay, I'm gonna root
This
for
one?
the blue one. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. I'm gonna root for the blue one.
Okay. I'm gonna use string launcher. Wait,
Because it's faster.
bro. I think the black one's gonna win.
I think the
Maybe.
blue one is gonna win.
Wait. Three, two, one. Go.
Go. 3, 2, 1, go! Holy crap!
Yo!
Yo, they're fighting! Oh no!
So the black one
He's using
wins.
mind controls technique! He used the
Okay,
mind control technique!
so next round we're gonna use this one. Now choose
Okay.
one more bait.
Okay, how about the pink one?
Nah, we can't use that. It's so rigged. It doesn't work.
Wait, what? This only for display. Okay,
Can
how
use
about
it
the pink
like
and blue one?
which one?
The pink and blue one.
This one?
No, the other one. Like beside it.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Pink and blue.
No, that's red.
That is not red, that's pink.
It's red, bro.
It's pink.
Now, ready to see an insane battle.
Okay.
Three,
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, lift up your camera. Holy God. Holy. Who? I'm gonna root for the blue and red one. Bro, I
one.
think the black one is rigged. The black
I
one is
won.
rigged. The black one is rigged.
Oh, now choose another one.
Oh, the yellow versus the yellow.
This,
Yellow versus
this one,
yellow. Yeah, and that one.
this one, or
Yeah,
this one?
yes.
This one and what?
That one.
This one?
Yeah, that one. That
This
is
one?
in your camera. Yes. Uh, what is that
Okay, okay.
type? What is that type?
Stamina type and defense.
Oh, hell. This will be interesting.
What do you
Who
mean
will win,
by that?
stamina or the defense?
I don't know. Go. No, it's
Oh,
crazy.
holy crap.
Gadagaduka.
Hallelujah. The yellow one died.
The stamina one won. Lol. Now,
Lol.
choose two more Beyblades.
Red versus blue. Who will win?
This one?
Yes. Versus that one with that one. That is blue.
Where? This one?
Yeah.
Oh
Blue
no, this
versus
might be
red.
so. Nah, bro, we might be cooked. Kasi isa. Kasi isa.
Nah, nah, nah,
Sige.
nah, nah.
No, my brother will
The
control the
red
other
one will be
Beyblade.
cooked. No, the blue one will be cooked. 3, 2, 1, go.
Here, my brother's gonna hold it. Look, it's me versus my brother.
Okay.
Three.
2, 1, go. Oh my god. Wait,
You see that? The
I
other
didn't
one,
see it.
like, the other one, like, went here and escaped. Like, it went here.
Again,
Uh,
rematch. Rematch. Does
brother,
it count?
rematch, okay. Rematch, Calix. Bro, this red one's insane. Tito, also,
Your
yo!
camera blackout. I did not see. Oh my god. The blue one is cooked. Who can beat the red one? It's more like orange.
uh, Calix, use your Beyblades.
Oh my god.
Elijah, use his Beyblades. And we will battle them. Okay?
Okay.
Can you see the screen? This?
Yeah.
Here.
Okay. There. 3,
Three, two,
2, 1, go.
goes. No. Yo,
Oh,
I
one
lost.
died. Hallelujah.
I died. I died.
Now
I
he
lost.
did. Now he did. Now he really did. Use your most overpowered Beyblade.
Okay. Use your strongest. Elijah, after this one, I gotta no more battles. I gotta leave the call because I'm low bat.
Okay.
No more battles. 3, 2, 1, go. Yo! Mine lost.
It was too
Now
fast.
again. Okay, okay. I'll use my Beyblade that looks insane. This one.
Let me see. Oh, that looks so insane. It's like a gorilla.
It's a tiger, bro.
I thought it was a gorilla.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, holy!
Go!
It broke.
It's broken. Like, look. it to 2 pieces.
Hallelujah.
No? Elijah,
Yeah.
can we do 2 more battles?
Of course, because you have battery.
Yeah, I'm good. I have 18%. I have so many more. Elijah,
Okay.
now,
Yes.
you pick in my collection, you pick in my brother's collection, which are we gonna
Okay.
battle? Pick.
Yellow one. That one.
This
No,
one?
the yellow one, that one.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, bro. This
Alright.
one. The other one sucks.
Alright.
Now, you choose your collection.
The blue one. The like blue tip
This
one.
one?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that one, that one.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna battle, bro.
Okay.
Last one, I gotta leave the call. 3,
2,
2,
1, go!
1.
Hallelujah! It's dying. It's very aggressive. Hallelujah! It died on the spot.
Elijah, I gotta leave the call now.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
I'll call you
Alright,
later.
bye.